Have you ever wondered when you text your crush, what happens behind that? What network calls are there? What is this? Which server is getting used? And what heartbreaks are going? Have you ever wondered that? No. Okay, so that is what real abstraction. So yes, hi everyone, I'm Kumal, and in this video, I'm going to explain about the abstraction in Java. And let's start it. So basically, what is abstraction is when we okay abstraction is hiding complex structure. What there are two parts, one is hiding complex structures and showing necessary part. Okay, only showing necessary part or function or whatever. So for example what your phone, for example your phone, you want when you want to click a photo, you just open your camera, click on the click button of the photo, and then you get the phone. But what is happening behind, what is the image processing or anything, what sensor it is using, are you caring about that? No. So that is what, only showing the necessary part or function to the user and hiding the complex structure. Second, vehicle. Let's say you are learning to drive a car. Then in that case, what happens, you just understand the clutch, brake, and accelerator and other things which are available, but you don't know what is exactly happening this inside this. After clicking on this, you might know what is happening, but you don't know how that is working. So here we are not going to check how, here we are going to just focus on what, not how. Basically, in car, it is hiding complex structure, everything, engine, whatever all mechanical things, and then only showing the necessary part which user wants to use. That means these options, handle, okay, handle, and many you can see the screen and all. Okay, this is about vehicles. So this is what abstraction means. Now in Java, what does abstraction means is you can achieve this abstraction using what? Using two methods. One is abstract methods and another one is interface method. Okay, using abstract method and using interface. So using these two, we can achieve the abstraction. So in this video, I'll be explaining about abstract methods. So let's see. First is, what are the abstract methods? Abstract methods can contain both abstract methods and non-abstract methods. Non-abstract methods. So here what we will do is, let's start by implementing. Let's take an example of what? Shape. So very classic example is, here I created one abstraction package. In that, in abstraction class, I'll create one new class as, let's say, I'll use shape. And how can I make this class as abstract is, just add abstract keyword in front of class. Now this is my abstract class, which can have what? Abstract methods and non-abstract methods. Okay, I think, okay, non-abstract methods. Now here, how we can create abstract methods? Or abstract methods doesn't have body. That means for the shape, okay, we have multiple shapes, that is circle, rectangle, triangle, trapezium. These are the shapes. So for each shape, what is the common is, we can find the area. Now what I can say is, public area will be in the double, and here I'll mark as area just this much. Okay, wait, yes, this much. But why it is giving us this? Because we need to specify here also abstract. Now it will not give us error. So this is my abstract method, where we will implement this in the next class where it is required. Now there can be non-abstract methods also. For example, I will use one, public void print name. Let's say I want this method where, okay, I have this function method, sorry, where I want to print the name, okay, which I want to pass. Let's say I will pass the shape name, and I want that to be printed, and I want it to be used by other shapes as well. Okay, this is my name shape. Now I can again declare one more is, let's say, string and color. Okay, color. So that why color? Because considering we are going to fill the color in the shape. Now I will create one more class as circle, or I can create a square. Now, do I need to again declare this shape which are what? Which are same, okay, which are required for this square? Square has area, square has color. Yes. Do I need to again declare? No. Instead of that, what I can do is extend abstract. Sorry, not abstract. What is our name? Shape. Now you can see an error. Why? Because if we are extending, okay, an abstract method, then we have to implement all its abstract methods. It is implement, and you can see both. Yes, so we have to implement both the abstract methods which are declared. Have you here you can you see the this method print name? No, because it is abstract. It is not abstract. Okay. Now here in area for square, what is there? We can use int side, and we can declare here one what constructor public square, and we can pass this side. This dot side is equal to side, and here I can pass side multiplied by, oh wait, side into side, because the square area is side square, and color, let's say I want red. Or I can do one more thing here, string color. I want to fill with which color? Here I'll pass string color. This dot color is equal to color. Wait, what happened? Yes, color. It's like I want to create a square, and there I need to pass the side of square and the color which I want to fill. Now here we will return color. Okay. Now in this case, we will how we will test is, let's say I'll create one main class. Oh, and here we'll use main method. This is a static method. If you don't know, it will, if it run this, it will run. Yeah. Now here I want to, now I will show, as our shape is what? Abstract class. Can we create its object? If I write this, can we create it? No. Why? Because it is here you can see cannot be instantiated. That means we cannot instantiate abstract class. Okay, remember this. We cannot instantiate abstract class, but instead what we can do here, new square. We can instantiate its implemented class. Okay, here you can see square is extending shape, so we can create object of this. And here I need to pass. Let's say I have side and I want red color to be filled. Now if I print s dot area and s dot what color, and if I run this, here you can see whatever we pass, it is printing that, because these methods are doing the same thing. It is printing the area. Now, also what we can do, s dot print name. Here I can pass square. So similarly with square, you can create a class of rectangle, and you can again here in square what we have added is one side and one color. So you can add what? You can add one this hmm, for rectangle height and base you can add length and width, sorry, and for yeah, for others also what whichever is needed. Now here the string color we don't need here, because it is we are using as a shape, so we can declare here as well. And yes, here, now here you can see, if I go to this, it is coming here. Okay, now yes, so you can do like this, and you can create also for the this circle, and you can print like this. And this is about the abstract methods which you can create. And if you see this print name also, if we don't, it is non-abstract, so I don't need to implement in the square, so I can just directly call. But if we create square s is equal to new square, here I'll write s1 and pass 4, and let's say green. what I'll get methods color. Okay, see here, as we are here, this you can see the what inheritance. So anyway, you can use any methods which are there, abstract or non-abstract, in this square. Okay, when you create the square. Yes, and that is what is abstract methods. Now let's see some facts which you need to know and which can be asked in interview. Yes, so here you can see first is, so yeah, what is happening? Yeah, yes, okay. Now this is what abstract word, okay, for which we are seeing. As I said, it can have both abstract and non-abstract method. Abstract methods mean we just have to add abstract keyword, and it has no body. Now, constructor, it can have constructor, you can add the constructor as well. Variables, you can have instance variables, static, final variables, like our normal class. You can use public, protected, private as well. A class can extend only one abstract class. Yes, only single inheritance. So why? Because if you extend, as you know, in Java, multiple inheritance is not allowed. Not allowed. Okay, and one more thing, we can achieve this using interfaces. Yes, we can achieve this. We can implement multiple interfaces, but we cannot extend more than one abstract class. Why? Because there can be a conflict. Suppose there you have two abstract classes, as it can have what I have, let's say, shape 1 and shape 2, and in that I have non-abstract methods print name. Here also I have non-abstract method print name. There is a conflict. Which print name you are calling? If I extend both, so that is what is, we will get the error. So we can only what extend only one abstract class. And as I also showed, we cannot instantiate abstract class. And of course, the purpose is to share common behavior and enforce certain structure in subclasses. So this points you should remember, and this can be asked in interview, asked in MCQ, and any. These are the basic things for abstract classes. Okay. So yes, if you have any queries regarding abstract class, abstract keyword, let me know in the comment section. I will surely answer your queries. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video, subscribe my channel, stay updated. Thank you.